Hi guys, hope so you are fine. When you use a list view widget and add different items in it, you will see that this error was occur. Render box was not let out. But why this error occur? When you use a list view without configuring the shrink wrap property, it tries to take up all the available space even if it exceeds the screen's height. Now let's fix this error. Simply add the ShrinkWrap property and make it true in the list view widget and reload it. Now you will see that there is no more error. The list view now adjusts its size to fix its content. So the next time when you encounter this error, remember to use the shrink wrap property. It's a straightforward fix for a common issues. Thank you so much.